Welcome everyone to my new price prediction for the last couple of days of 2023. We're out here in December aiming for discovering what's going on with AAVE Crypto on this little upscale, on this little up pumping movement that we're facing for the past couple of hours as dealing with the greatness. A cryptocurrency which has been part of the DeFi pump a couple of years ago, still surviving amongst the best ones out there. 46 is the ranking on CoinMarketCap. Volume is $300 million and the average numbers are sitting quite positive. The reason I'm making this video is because AAVE is at a very important key level that is dealing with at the moment. So the price prediction for 2023 is going to be on point, guys. For the late 2023, we just have 2 weeks of this year and we're looking for discovering as well. If you are looking for 2024, then we have 100 video episodes of price predictions of cryptocurrencies for 2024. So this is on my channel. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. At the same time, you can join my trades, guys. I mean, we have trades going around. For example, there is a Solana long, which I've been also sharing with you in my videos, $68,000. There is a BTC long, which we opened on November 5th at 35 grand entry price. Currently, it's 42,891. There's $253,000 in this one. You can join my trade. This is my spreadsheet about my trades. Option number 1 is no prior fee, only commission from the pure profits made, where we trade for you through API trading permission and handle the complete process. Option number 2 is with the signals delivered to you, handle it, as well as the one-on-one coaching program for anyone out there looking to be interested in this domain at a very serious level. I'm going to talk about these things at the end. So let's see what's going on the AAVE cryptocurrency. Well, just like I said, it is facing with a crucial level. The supply zone around 110 up to 125 is basically the major difficulty this cryptocurrency needs to fight with. At the same time, we have greatness coming on board after we've been able to print this triple surger bottoms with a double top structure, both pointing upwards. So this is also aiming like an impulse movement. The impulse movement needs to finally test out the ultimate high of the accumulation stage of the market, accumulation range of the market that the cryptocurrency has been dealing with. We never had any form of a rally since we have been falling into this part based on the crypto winter, especially when the DeFi craziness has been slowed down back in the day. We have been suffering quite a bit of for this cryptocurrencies by losing their spotlight. So now it is time basically to move the markets and shine again. Between 1.2722 and 1.4014 is something that I'm considering. There is an order block right there as the first target. This would be the greatness to hit by the end of 2023. That's not by the end of 2024 or a number that we should be targeting for 2024. Definitely too small. But for 2023, if we successfully push from the current level up to 155s up to 160s, which is another 40% on the current price section, is going to be very good. If we don't achieve those levels yet, we kind of achieve any of this 3, right? The 160 as well over here, because it's the top of the order block right there. So any of those 3 levels, such as the green line, red line, and then the 160s, is going to be a target that should satisfy anyone, considering that any form of a pullback from there is going to be considered greatness for bullishness. So this crypto as well is contributing towards a movement based on 50 days moving average. So I'd like to zoom into a little more. 50 days moving average has been reacting twice extremely well. When you have a confirmation of the 200 days, which is the blue line that have there, based on the anchored volume weighted average price median line as well, which is another blue line, you are breaking 200 days moving average with the median line of the anchor. As you can see, it's happening here. So we are crossing with our 200 days moving average, going above through the median line. This is an amazing signal that is actually the place where the market is entering in a phase of an accelerated bullishness, which is also what is needed in order to break out of such powerful supply zone. We're not expecting basically to deal with levels that are below 88, 84, right? So we have these two lows right here, which have been printed very well. At any point, obviously, the markets could trigger some selling pressure based on the BTC, which sits in the highs. But considering this crypto, which pretty much forget about their great pumps that they used to do, and it just finds it out during the last couple of days of 2023. Well, we're actually aiming with those to keep it pretty much sustainable till the end of the year and have the ability to force through all these difficulties and roadblocks that are approaching the space. We already got into the place where resistance is at any point of stepping into in a major way. And as you can see, when it does, the selling pressure triggered. Plus, the big problem out here is that the buyers are no longer pushing at a time they see major sell-offs. At a time they see that the bearish pressure is increasing, they no longer push against it. So this is not really happening for the other altcoins, which is why there is a big difference on how this crypto compared to the others have moved in this rally that we're talking about, a pre-bull market rally. It is a big difference, guys. It is a huge difference. I mean, right now, by the time we're watching this, we have achieved 118%, which I wouldn't say it's disastrous, but for the nature of this cryptocurrency, which used to do 30-40% daily, it has missed so many days of doing those things that today we should actually have been much higher by breaking above the supply level we have at the top. With the previous top we actually have in this market structure. So that one should have been pushed like this, retracing a little bit into this top, and then going with the current movement that we're doing, right? With the current movement that we're doing, that should have been the one pushing above the supply. Unfortunately, because the previous top established, which is this one, has been forming a double top with the next one, it is a situation of struggle. You cannot achieve greatness without struggle. You cannot achieve amazing numbers without struggle. Now, of course, people consider the alternatives and possibilities, so they often miss greatness. That's it from today's presentation on AAVE cryptocurrency. Looking for discovering as well on the price prediction for 2024. Make sure to stick with me in this episodes. Like the video, subscribe, and let me know about your prediction in the comments area. We're actually talking about a situation right here, which is obviously held by the upper line of the end short volume weighted average price. We're receiving support from that one, which is a mixture with a 50 days moving average on board. So the situation is clearly pointing towards the upside. The only sort of a way unfortunate moment and situation is that instead of taking this movement from this high by having the previous high of the current one, this one pumping higher previously, taking it back, and then you create the move you're doing now, like I told you earlier, which will trigger you basically into the 130, 145. That's a great level, and then it will have been a complete success basically for 2023 by marking a strong movement. If you measure it from 52, you would also have the ability to do that 215%. Or 180% or 220%. So the volatility range over there is increasing quite heavily and the index is getting quite major. That's it where we are at the moment with this crypto. Just like I said, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your perspectives on this one. Have a good time, folks, around the trading. If you would like to be part of it, I have some example of the trades that I performed right there. You can reach out to me. You can, schedule a call with me. You can jump on a quick conversation if you would like to find into the details. This is my spreadsheet with a performance, no prior fee, only commission from performance achieved. Right, so based on profits, commission every 7 days paid by you, trading through APR trading, you give us trading permission, we're doing it. We can trade on any exchange, on any type of market. So that's it. Around the coaching, well, this is very important because it's for anyone looking to be serious and considering their trading activity as a serious activity. Due to the fact that people often think that making money from cryptocurrency trading is easy. And the reality sooner or later hits them like a truck, which is very painful, guys. I'm telling you honestly, the amount of people I've been working with in terms of having massive losses and liquidations back in the day before starting to learn this business, is just insane. The percentage is easily crossing 80% of people in my coaching program that have lost at either everything or completely vanished away 90% of what they had without having a proper education around trading. They started to trade. So then they thought, let me just get the proper education on the topic, grab the skills and the knowledge for it. Watch the video to understand how does it work and register now for a free call with me. Have a good time, folks. We'll talk to you soon.